In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make ElevenLabs laugh. So let's just get right on to that. So first of all, what we need to do over here is we need to enter a command. So you can see if I simply type in here the laughing just like that and generate it, you will be able to see that it does not sound great at all. So before I tell you the trick behind this, make sure to head over to the link in the description below to get 50% off onto this subscription plan so you can unlock even more better features to use onto the platform. So the trick is you got to be needing a command. So add braces before. You can also add the braces after, but I recommend adding them before your laugh. So what you need to do here is simply type laughing just like that, and once you do, you can see basically now it should be working. So once you generate your speech,
laughing.
you can see it is still not working. So the thing is, you got to be making sure that you have proper spacing between that, and then you can see once you have your space done and you have your command done, you can generate your speech, and
Laughing.
you can see it is much more better, right? So once you regenerate it, the key is getting the
Laughing.
best. You can see every time you get a different result, and eventually once you do click it a couple of times on the regenerate, it will give you the best result.
Laughing.
Okay, so I think this looks pretty good to use, and this is basically how you can create the laughing sound inside ElevenLabs, and this is the trick. So usually we use voice sound effects for the laughing type effects and everything, but we are going to be covering that in a different video. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.